my car back. Yes, 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 yes. I am back in my car. He's like, oh, congrats, you got a new head. I'm like, huh? What about head? I mean, like, I got a new head of the car, which is great. I'm not really one that is attached to material things. However, I haven't had my car in, I think, almost 2 weeks. When I went to LA last weekend, as you guys saw, I drove my parents' car. They were kind enough to let me borrow it. And I didn't have a car. They didn't provide me with a rental here. That for me felt like an eternity. You know, it's not like I live in NYC or, you know, where I can take the subway or I need a car. I'm just grateful that I have it back. I'm actually at Starbucks, which I rarely do. Whenever I do drive by and, you know, pull up to Starbucks, there's a drink that I recommend. This is, like, I put people onto this. Try this. I promise you, this is good. Hi, good afternoon. Can I do a vent, or actually a grande iced oat latte?
A grande iced oat milk latte?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
With 1 stevia.
Okay.
And blonde espresso.
And made with blonde espresso. Anything else?
Cinnamon powder on top. Can you add that?
Yeah, we can do that.
That'll be it.
All right, that'd be $5.55 with one though.
Okay, thank you. So as I said, I'm not really like a Starbucks fan. I prefer local coffee shops, but if it's an emergency like right now, not an emergency, but you know, convenient, I will get this, and trust me. Thank you. All right. Yes. Is the closest that I personally think it actually tastes like a coffee or latte. I think it's a combination of the blonde roast with a little bit of the stevia. Is this person gonna let me in? Yes. It is hot. I was wearing a sweater. This should be called Welcome to the Car Chronicles at this point, because I feel like I'm always seeing you in the car. I just left Trader Joe's. I went to get some little things that I needed, and they have the best snacks, by the way. I always am like trying not to get as many things because then I eat everything. I usually go to Trader Joe's at night, like right before they close, because it's empty and it's nice, and it's a smaller Trader Joe's. Like this one is like 5-10 minutes away from my house, depending on, you know, traffic, and then there's one that's like 25 minutes away. Oh shit, hold on. Hello. It's because I'm at Target. It's right next door, and I ordered a curbside pickup, and I forgot that I needed to show my code. I was saying that the Trader Joe's here is the smaller one. There's one that's like 25 minutes away, and it's way bigger. But right now with peak hour, it's kind of like I avoid because there's just a bunch of people, and I get almost claustrophobic. And I mean, I love my older, like elderly people, but sometimes they don't give a fuck. Like they'll just have their cart and just like cut you, and everyone's just like, I don't know about you, but like I like a nice calm, I mean, I'm sure other cities it's like there's no way, but I like a calm stroll, like just picking out what I need, and just like, it's weird. I kind of enjoy grocery shopping, but when it's packed like that. What's up, guys? Okay, it is, oh, people are coming. Fuck. Here I am trying to vlog and people are coming. Always, man, always. I need to get used to vlogging in public. I mean, it's 2023. Where am I going? Okay. Not me getting all shy now. What the fuck? Here, hold on. I need to actually focus. So yeah, I'm hiking at my favorite trail. This is something I do maybe like once every 2 weeks when I have a little bit of time. Honestly, there's just something about coming here that just puts me at ease. And this one spot where I sit there for like 10 minutes, have some meditation music in my AirPods, and it's the best feeling to just be, you know, and just release and absorb nature. And I'll have to show you the view once I get to that spot because it's pretty spectacular. It is a little chilly. I have a hoodie. It was raining yesterday, like monsoon, but today it's clear skies It's just, it's beautiful. Once I get to the top, and I need to drink some water because out of breath. Wow. Sun is in my face, but it feels really good to just sit here. I'm like on a rock. Probably go higher up. I'm still deciding, but this is good for now. Let me show you this view. It is just, not quite sure if the camera, it's a risk having this camera here. All right, let's go. Come with me. Tell them what you're trying to get me to do right now.
Spanish or English?
Lo que sea.
Hola paisanos, I'm Henry. This is my
Bryce.
and we're going
to like a underwear party.
underwear party. We're gonna
Yes, yes, yes.
go. We're gonna be wearing only underwear. That's it. That's
it.
all we're gonna be
I
wearing.
mean, when in Palm Springs.
Exactly.
Yes.
And you have to come with us.
Buddy,
You're
buddy.
halfway convinced.
I'm halfway. They're trying to get me to go, but
No,
we'll
literally.
see. We'll see.
I've been working my ass off for the past 2 months, working out in the gym every single day. It's
time to show it off.
It's time to show it off. Exactly.
Let's go.
I agree. And you look good.
Yeah.
So fuck it. So, oh my god, this looks really cool. This is Alan. Say hello.
Hi,
Or whatever you want to say.
I'm Alan. Nice to meet you.
This is our maybe fifth shoot, maybe fourth.
Fifth or fourth, I'm not sure.
Yes.
I lost count.
Yeah, he does amazing photos. So if you want to follow him, his Instagram, I'm gonna have it right here. But yeah, we're doing some cool content, some shoot, doing some like brand stuff and just, you know, other cool stuff.
Yeah.
We're dying of thirst.
Thirst, and the heat's actually hitting already.
It's finally feeling like spring. As you can tell, a little spring vibe. I can't get over the clouds. Look at that. It looks cool.
I love these, dude. You're gonna love them. You wanna look at some of these? You're gonna watch.
We're gonna take her on a walk. All right, let's go, Kona. Say hello. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go. It's as if I'm cheating on Nugget. That's weird.
I mean, I didn't ask. Do I feel like I have a thought for I feel? But I'm not gonna do that to him. The person who I'm to be. That's what he feels, so.
Should have had this right before. Look at this beautiful face. All right, so it is Saturday. I woke up in LA. I came here yesterday evening and I spent the night. My brother and his dog, or why can't I talk? I slept very little last night and I am in need of coffee. So my brain's still catching up. It's not computing at the moment. I'm watching their dog, Kona, for the day. They went out of town. It's just nice to be in a new environment for the day. And honestly, I have so much work to catch up on, which is perfect because I'm just planning on staying here at their place. Probably gonna order some DoorDash in a sec. It's a beautiful day out. I have the window open and it's just clear skies. Really great day. I love Kona and we're just hanging out. She's playing with her toys right now. And I'm simultaneously watching Love is Blind because that show is just, I don't know, I hate that I'm into it, but then I just watched the first episode and then I'm hooked, or invested, I should say. I live for people's drama that's not my own. I was supposed to meet up with a friend later, but I think I'm just gonna stay here all day and just get stuff done, be with the dog. I'm trying to figure out what to have for lunch. These are spicy Dumplings, wontons, ooh, good catch. Definitely top 2 best dumplings I've ever had in my life.